Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn your Fiverr account into a seller account. This is a game changer if you're looking to offer your skills and services on one of the world's largest freelancing platforms. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward with the setup. Now, look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Become a Seller. This is the gateway to transforming your account and unlocking the ability to create and sell your services on the platform. Once you've clicked that, you'll be directed to a new page. In the center of this page, you'll see a button that says Create Your Profile. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your seller profile and defining what services you'll be offering to potential clients. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your gig title. This is essentially the name of the service you're offering, so make it clear and descriptive. Think about what potential buyers will be searching for and craft a title that captures their attention while accurately representing what you do. Next, you'll need to select your category, click on the drop-down menu, and browse through the available options. Choose the category that best aligns with the service you're providing. This helps Fiverr place your gig in the right marketplace so the right buyers can find you. Right beside that first drop-down menu, you'll see another one for selecting your subcategory. Click on this second drop-down menu and choose the subcategory that further narrows down your service type. This additional layer of categorization makes it easier for buyers to discover exactly what they're looking for. After that, you'll need to select your service type. This step helps Fiverr understand the nature of what you're offering and ensures your gig appears in relevant searches. Take your time to pick the option that most accurately describes your work. Now select your gig metadata type. This is important because it adds more context to your service and helps with how Fiverr organizes and displays your gig to potential clients. Choose the metadata type that fits your offering best. Next up, select your tool. If your service involves using specific software or tools, this is where you'll indicate that. It gives buyers additional confidence that you're equipped with the right resources to deliver quality work. Look for the section labeled Search Tags. Here you'll type relevant keywords into the designated field that describe your service. After typing each tag, press Enter to add it. These tags are crucial because they improve your gig's visibility and search results, making it easier for buyers to find you. Once you've filled in all these details, click Save and Continue. This will take you to the next stage of the setup process where you'll need to provide all the necessary information about your profile and services. Make sure everything is accurate and complete before moving forward. After filling in that information, click Save and Continue again. From here, you'll be guided through several more required fields. Answer each one carefully and thoroughly until you reach the Publish section. These questions help Fiverr understand your expertise and present your services in the best possible light. Once you've completed all the required fields and reached the final step, you'll be ready to publish your gig. After you finish this process, your account will officially turn into a seller account, and you'll be able to start receiving orders and building your freelancing career on Fiverr. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.